Hey friends, and welcome back to your girl Brittany, and today is going to be the first sharing of the Valentine group swap that I hosted over on my Instagram. If you guys are new, you know that I do host swaps from time to time on Instagram that are group swaps, and from time to time on YouTube that are one-on-one. So this is the first one, well, I guess if you can say last one of 2021, first one of 2022. So with this swap, it is a Valentine's Day theme. They had to create the banner box, the original banner box that Ariel, who is Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio, had designed, and I will have the link to that video down below in the description for you. So they had to create the box, and then inside of the box they had to include a Valentine sequin mix, a heart-shaped embellishment, and 2 bows. So kicking things off with our first entry, this is from Judy, who is a Red Princess Designs over on the gram, and I just wanted to show off this super cute card. How adorable! I love it. And so she did make 4, so let's go ahead and open her up. This is the one she did, and she has her little business card in here with all of her information where you guys can go ahead and find her. So cute. And then with the banner boxes, they just needed to make sure that there were holes or a hanging element for the recipient to be able to string their own ribbon or twine or whatever it was, but they did not need to include it. And this is so super cute. I love how she scalloped the edges, or she may have used a die, or it could be that she did, I don't know, maybe she had, I don't know, maybe she did do a scalp, I'm not sure. but super cute. She used, looks like the Michael's paper. She has the felt heart in the background with a bow. Then she did a shaped heart of the crepe paper rosette, the little foam glitter hearts, some flowers, and then the word love on the top there. And then when we open her up, we have her sequin mix, which she used one of the little, I call them potion bottles, but she added a little fun dangle on the top, and it says made with love, and it has a pink bow, red and red bead, and a star. And then we have a really fun mix going on in here. We have the foam balls, we have reds, pinks, iridescence, and then we have like the shiny. So super cute. And then she did the creative time bows, or it could have been a different one. There's like various companies who have like the same looking bows. But she added some of the eyelash trim in the center, and then added a foam heart, and then a little flat back heart on top of that. Super cute. And then here is her embellishment here. So she did the crepe paper on the back, and then she has her heart shape on top of that, then added a felt heart with some hearts layered on top there with a bow, a flower. We have another little cute like ring of heart die cuts on there, and then we also have a love ticket. So super cute. Thank you so much for participating, Judy. Make sure you guys go ahead and check her out and show her some love. I will have her information down below for you in a description box. So stay tuned for more entries as they come on in, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.